Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the CamScanner application on Android device. CamScanner is a Chinese mobile application that allows users to scan documents and share the photo as either a JPEG or PDF. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Play Store on Android device. Then go to the search bar and type in for a CamScanner. Search. You can see the application on very top. Just beside of the application, you can see the install button. You need to tap on it and wait for the application to get fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you can tap in open and go in for using the CamScanner application. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can download and install the CamScanner application on your Android device. Thank you.